welcome to today's podcast.
You are listening to Afsan Farm Kitchen Podcast.
You know what's fascinating? The Mediterranean diet has been ranked the #1 healthiest diet for years, but most people still struggle to actually follow it. Today, we're exploring some creative ways to make it work for everyday lunches.
That's such a relevant point. I've definitely found it challenging to stick to healthy lunch routines. What kind of practical solutions have you discovered?
Well, I came across this incredible collection of protein-packed Mediterranean-style lunches, and let me tell you about this kale and sweet potato salad that's completely changed my meal prep game. It's got this amazing tahini dressing that transforms everything it touches.
I've always been intimidated by kale. How do they make it actually enjoyable?
So here's the key. They massage the kale first, which breaks down the tough fibers and makes it much more palatable. Then, they combine it with roasted sweet potatoes, feta, golden raisins, and crunchy almonds. Oh, and here's a brilliant hack. You can use leftover turkey instead of chicken, which makes it perfect for post-holiday meals.
Now that's the kind of practical tip I need. What about quick assembly options for those crazy busy days?
You're going to love this. There's this genius tuna niçoise melt that basically reinvents the classic French salad as a sandwich. Picture this: tuna mixed with briny olives and chopped hard-boiled eggs, all piled onto crusty sourdough with melted fontina cheese. It's like comfort food meets sophisticated cuisine.
That sounds amazing. Did you find any good vegetarian options that pack the same protein punch?
Oh yeah, there's this dish called Marry Me White Bean Salad that's absolutely incredible. It's got these tender white beans, sun-dried tomatoes, and fresh basil in this creamy dressing that's apparently so good it inspired the name. And get this, it actually has more protein than some meat-based options.
Well, that's interesting. I never would have thought beans could compete with meat for protein content. What other surprising protein sources did you discover?
So this is fascinating. They have this high-protein black bean salad that combines black beans with sweet potatoes and a citrus dressing, delivering about 15 grams of protein per serving. And there's this innovative chickpea farro grain bowl that's not only protein-rich but also loaded with fiber and complex carbs.
I've been hearing a lot about farro lately. What makes it special?
So farro has this amazing nutty flavor and chewy texture that regular rice just can't match. Plus, and this is really cool, it actually has more protein than quinoa. They suggest keeping some pre-cooked farro in your fridge for quick assembly bowls throughout the week.
Those are such practical meal prep tips. What about options for those days when you literally have zero time to cook?
Well, you're gonna love this canned tuna rice bowl. It's like a glow-up of regular tuna salad. They combine it with kimchi, cucumber, avocado, and nori. Then top it with this amazing sriracha mayo. It takes like 5 minutes, but tastes like something from a fancy lunch spot.
That's exactly the kind of recipe I need in my life. Any other creative uses of pantry staples?
Oh yeah, there's this brilliant no-cook black bean taco bowl that's perfect for busy days. You just layer everything over crispy cabbage and lettuce, add this amazing lime crema, and you've got a restaurant-quality lunch in minutes. And here's a pro tip. They suggest making extra lime crema because it works great on basically everything.
So if we're thinking about meal prep for a whole week, what would you recommend starting with?
You know, I'd definitely begin with that make-ahead cabbage salad. It actually gets better after a day or two in the fridge. Then maybe prep some of that green goddess dressing they mention. It's made with avocado, buttermilk, and fresh herbs. And they say it transforms any basic salad into something special.
Those sound like perfect weekend prep projects. Any final must-try recipes?
Well, don't sleep on those turmeric chicken and avocado wraps. They're loaded with anti-inflammatory ingredients and stay fresh for days. And that loaded chicken and broccoli salad is like the perfect balance of healthy and indulgent. It's got all the good stuff, but with little touches of bacon and cheese that make it feel special.
This has been so helpful for rethinking my lunch routine. Any final tips?
Yeah, The key takeaway is that healthy lunches don't have to be boring or time-consuming. It's all about having a mix of make-ahead components and quick assembly options. And remember, even simple pantry staples can become something special with the right combinations and a few fresh ingredients. Thank you for listening and watching. Afsan Farm Kitchen.